In this video, we're counting arrangements, permutations, higher level only. And here are two questions that look identical and have completely different answers. 8 runners in a final. Question A, how many ways can they finish first, second, and third? Question B, how many ways can you pick 3 of them for a drug test? Same 8 people, same 3 chosen. 336 versus 56, 6 times different. And the only thing that changed is whether order matters. On the podium it does. Coming first is not the same as coming third. Gold, silver, bronze is a different result from bronze, silver, gold. On the test list it doesn't. The same 3 names is the same list, however you write it down. Order matters. That is a permutation. And that is this video. Order doesn't. That is a combination. And that is the next one. Get that one question right, and the rest is arithmetic. Let's start small enough to check by hand. 3 books on a shelf. A, B, and C. 3 choices for the first slot. Then 2 books left for the second. Then 1 for the third. 3 times 2 times 1. 6. And there they are, all 6 of them, listed out. Nothing to trust here. You can count them. That product is n factorial. N times n minus 1 times n minus 2, all the way down to 1. And arranging all n objects is just n factorial. 5 books is 5 factorial, which is 120. In one thing that looks like a typo and isn't. 0 factorial is 1. Not 0, 1. You will need that in a moment. Now, when you only arrange some of them, it is NPR. N factorial over n minus r factorial. Spoken plainly, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. And that bottom is doing something simple. It cancels off the arrangements of the ones you didn't pick, which is also why NPN needs 0 factorial to be 1. Arranging all of them is n factorial over 0 factorial, and that has to come out as n factorial. Example 1. Arranging everything. How many ways can 5 different books be arranged on a shelf? All 5 are being used, so it is just 5 factorial. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 120. Example 2. Now let's close the first half of the opening question. 8 runners, gold, silver, and bronze. Order matters, so it is 8p3. 8 factorial over 8 minus 3 factorial. That is 8 factorial over 5 factorial. And here's the thing worth saying out loud. You never compute 8 factorial. The 5 factorial on the bottom cancels the whole tail, and you are left with 8 times 7 times 6, 336. Now the calculator. Every calculator you are allowed has an NPR button. 8 NPR 3 gives you 336 directly. Use it on every one of these. Factorials get enormous fast. 13 factorial is over 6 billion, and it overflows a lot of displays. Example 3. And this is the trap. How many distinct arrangements are there of the letters of the word banana? 6 letters, so the instinct is 6 factorial. 720. And that is wrong, because the 3 A's are identical. Swapping 2 A's does not give you a new word. It gives you banana again. But 6 factorial counted it as a new one. So divide by the arrangements of each repeated group. A appears 3 times, so divide by 3 factorial. N appears twice, so divide by 2 factorial. B appears once, so divide by 1 factorial, which does nothing. 720 over 6 times 2, 60. Example 4, a restriction. 6 people in a row, but Anna and Ben must sit next to each other. Here is the block trick. Glue Anna and Ben together into one unit. Now you are not arranging 6 things. You are arranging 5, the block, and the other 4 people. 5 factorial is 120, but Anna and Ben can swap places inside the block. Anna then Ben, or Ben then Anna. So multiply by 2, 240. Example 5. Same 6 people, but now Anna and Ben must not sit next to each other. Do not try to count this one directly. Count the opposite and subtract. The total number of arrangements with no restriction is 6 factorial, 720. And we just worked out that 240 of those have them together. So the ones that don't are 720 minus 240, 480. And that move is worth naming because it is the most reusable idea in the whole counting block. Not adjacent, at least 1. At least 2 share a birthday. When a restriction is awkward to count, count everything and subtract the bad ones. Order matters, so it is a permutation. NPR. And remember the divide by repeats and the block trick. Next video is the other half of the question we opened with, the drug test, the 56, and exactly why it is 6 times smaller. Combinations.